Dear friends, today I am explaining the benefits of CAIIB and JIIB for the bank employees. What is the main purpose of doing this GIIB, CIIB? Is first, after completion of JIIB, every employee will get one increment. Today, the bank employee, that is Avarcha, will get increment of 555 rupees per month, and officer community will get an increment of 980 rupees per month. Basic will be increased by the increment, and other benefits like DA, HRA, CCA will also will get. After completion of JAIB, now it is calling as JAIB, earlier it was called as CAIB Part 1. After completion of JIIB, they have to appear for CAIIB, which after passing of CAIIB, every employee, that is Avarcha, will get 2 increments, and officers will get 1 increment. That is, after completion of JIIB and CAIIB, every employee, that is clerk, will get 3 increments, and officers will get 2 increments, along with DA, HRA, CCA on the said 2 or 3 increments. After completion of CIIB, the priority will be given to the candidates or staff for promotions who have completed CAIIB. It is very, very difficult to complete CAIIB and JIIB. The monetary benefit for the entire life, if an employee completed JIIB or CAIIB within 3 to 4 years after joining in the bank, the increments will get for the entire remaining life of service. After attaining statuation, the employee will get PQP. What is the amount of PQP now is 1020 rupees per month. Every employee, officer will get 1020 per month after attaining maximum scale. That means the benefit of CAIIB will be throughout his service, and even after retirement, CAIIB increment will be added to the basic pension for arriving pension basic. That means every employee will get the benefit of CAIIB throughout his life. Please note this point. In case the pensioner demised, the wife will get the proportionate pension to the pensioner, to the wife, throughout her life. That means, due to passing of CAIIB, the employee will get benefit throughout his life, and after that his wife will get the benefits until her life, end of the life. You imagine the benefit of CAIIB. After passing CAIIB, employee is not going to do any extra work. He will not do any extra work. Only the work what he has attached, that only he will do. But when compared to other employees, he will get more amount throughout his service and his life, to the end of his life. By calculating that is the total amount of monetary benefit he is going to get. If we calculate at the rate of 8% rate of interest today, for the entire 25 years, his increments for CAIIB is put in RD. You believe that the entire amount will become 25 to 30 lakhs. You calculate, being a banker. You calculate in your house what is the increment you are going to get, what is the rate of interest for up to the retirement. It is the amount worked out to 25 to 30 lakhs. So, I am requesting all the employees to pass CAV, JAV, only for not only for the benefit of monetary benefit for promotions and as well as for the benefit of pension to him and to his wife until end of their lives. Thank you.